So looking inside of the drive shaft, I can see the remainder of the pin that was broken off that should be attached right here. And by using a bent tip on a long screw, I'm able to actually actuate that pin as in such a way that the clutch rod here would have. By doing so, I am able to engage and disengage the gearbox, which until now I couldn't do, which has allowed me to show that in fact the gearbox does work. So, I can get this thing set to look. Looking at the saw here, you can see that right now the back gear is engaged and the shaft does not move freely. With the belt set on what is the 115 feet per minute speed, I can turn it on and it does run and it won't slip. However, when you put any resistance on it, it does have a bit of a grinding sound that makes me nervous, or at least wary. If I disengage that clutch pin, which isn't the easiest thing to do. There we go. So now this is free. And I don't know if I can pick it up on the camera very well. But I'm going to try. If you listen, I think that sound, that squealing, if that, when transmitted to the video at all, has something to do with the grinding sound that I noticed when running the saw with the back gear engaged. As such, I think that at this point the saw is more or less usable for wood, but the gearbox needs to be opened up, taken apart, and look for shot bearings and gears that aren't meshing very nicely. So I'm going to drain the case of its oil, use a gear puller to remove this pulley, and open up the gear case and see what's inside.